Today's to the point topic is Lightburn and how to create a travel mug vector from scratch. So we're going to go over to the creation tools and grab a square and just drag out a rectangle and drop it. Click the selector tool. With it selected, go up to tools, down to deform selection, 16 points. And then just pull out this top one, maybe the second one a little bit. Click the selector tool. With it selected, Control D to duplicate, and then Control Shift H to do a horizontal flip. Use the left arrow key to bump it over even. Grab everything, go over to the modification tools and click weld. And then you can pull this up a little bit to make it look more like a travel mug. Then go grab another square and we'll put a top on here. Something like that should work. Click the selector tool, grab everything, weld it together. And then we'll put a little line under the lid to give it a little more realism. So grab the pencil tool, hold down the left mouse key, hold shift, release the mouse, and then drag out a straight line. Left click, right click to release, and then release shift. And then remember to click your selector tool so you won't be drawing lines all over the page. So select your line and then go to the offset tool. We're going to make this outward and 0.5 millimeter is fine. Click OK. Then you can pull your original out because that's what's selected after you do an offset. You can delete that, select your offset line, make it an engraving. Remember to move your engrave above your cut line, pull it over to your cup, and then just line it up and make it look right. There we go, that looks pretty good. And if you have a logo you want to put on the cup, just go to your art library and drag it out. And there we go, that looks pretty centered. We could make it a little larger. Okay, now we have a travel cup vector made from scratch, and I think it's a good thing to be able to make some vectors on your own. I try it a lot. If I see something that's close, a font or anything that I can turn into something I need, I do it. So give it a try. And that wraps up today's To The Point topic.